We throw the out, we like the strong. We put in work, just so you know. It's the only way. Real news and UCA, yeah.
Yo, man, we got Kapallo coming up. We ain't found no talent, man. What's going on?
I told you we should have went to Iota.
Man, UCA ain't got no talent.
Nah, I mean, I'm sure they got somebody here, bro.
Where? Where they at?
Hey, yo, I heard your boys having Kapallo this year.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get down.
All right, what you got?
I know your girl just chose me. I've already chose a baby. You like that right there, yeah? I mean, I thought I was pretty good. Shoot. I mean, I just woke up. My voice was a little scratchy and everything, but shoot. You know, your boy got the vocals and whatnot.
Bro, that was some bull. Come on, bro.
I ain't got nothing to say.
We still got time to go to Iota.
Yeah. Hey, hold on. I heard that y'all was having Kapallo. I'm trying to get down.
What you got?
Let me show you what I got. Check this out. 15, 30, 37, 38. Wait, what? Ain't this from a movie? Wait, hold on, one more thing. Either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about what's going on in the hood. Alright, so I know my performance wasn't the best, but Mike Epps stole that from me. I mean, rappers using each other's lyrics anyway. Like, what's the difference between Lil Yachty and Lil Bo?
Hold up. Is it Lil Yachty or Lil Bo?
I don't know, but I had my steps down, but see, the reason why my steps weren't, perfected because I had on my Nike socks. I should have had on my church socks so I could slide across the floor.
My girl's like candy, a candy tree. She knocks me high up off my feet. She's so fine, as can be. I know this girl is just for me. Candy girl, you are my world. You look so sweet, you're a special treat. Candy girl, all I want to say, when you're with me, you're brighten up my day.
Oh.
Y'all boys good, boy. Shoot, y'all want something for Kapallo?
I got the moves. I'm making moves. You gotta move. She made that back move.